Who is that?
Daddy, let's go.
It's day number 3 and we're on the hunt for another steamy of Sodor in our backyard Christmas hunt. Hi everyone, welcome to Zizah's PlayStation where we play with trains, learn and have fun. Today it's all about Percy. Ooh, and he's taking a nasty tumble. But he'll be fine. He'll be back up and running again. Percy is the number 6 green engine. He is the junior member of Sir Tapamat's railway. He is quite content puffing around the yard with no particular desire for adventure in the world outside. Percy is Thomas's best friend and his favorite job is delivering the mail. He is always happy to help and other engines sometimes take advantage of his good nature. We want to do an unboxing of this at a later date where we go into details about the 10 favorites of Sodor, but we just want to take a quick look at the packaging and who is included inside. We went on the hunt for Percy, Rebecca, and Nia, and so we have about 7 more to go. And you know, he's really looking forward to this now. He's anticipating it. So, you know, it's great Christmas fun and we will continue. But let's look at who's included inside. So there is Thomas, of course, the number 1 tank engine. Nia, Percy, Rebecca, Gordon, Emily, James, Victor, Kevin, and Harold. Well, now that we found out just a little bit more about the 10 steamies of Sodor, let's go to the backyard for some backyard fun and go on our Christmas hunt. It's day 3 of our hunt. Oh, let's try that one. Okay. There's nothing? You're not going to open it? Open it. There's nothing?
There's nothing.
Let's try this one then. What's this? What's this right here?
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Oh, there's nothing. What happened? No, okay, well, let's see. Let's search again. Maybe there's something. Do you see anything else? Oh! Hey, look here. I see a yellow box. Do you see the yellow box? Where's the yellow box? Oh, hey. Do you see it? It's right here. Where's the yellow box? What's in the yellow box? Who's that? You found Percy?
Percy's in the box.
Till thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Pray until thy kingdom come.
Allow him to convince you
Pray until thy
that you
kingdom
insecure.
Pray until thy kingdom come.
You're feeling so insecure,
In
so weak, so desperate because he's
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to leave your feedback, do so in the comment section below. We appreciate you hanging with us. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.